This is the Rotational Stiffness Interactive Calculator, which solves for various torsional parameters in mechanical systems. Let me show you the input fields. First, we have a calculation mode dropdown with 6 options. Calculate rotational stiffness, calculate applied torque, calculate angular displacement, calculate natural frequency, calculate shaft torsional stiffness, and calculate stored torsional energy. For this demonstration, I'm selecting Calculate Rotational Stiffness. Below that, you'll enter applied torque in Newton meters, angular displacement in radians, rotational stiffness in Newton meters per radian, moment of inertia in kilogram meters squared, shear modulus in gigapascals, polar moment in meters to the 4th power times 10 to the minus 8, and shaft length in meters. For our example, I'll input 50 Newton meters for torque and 0.0087 radians for angular displacement. After clicking Calculate, the tool computes the rotational stiffness by dividing the applied torque by the angular displacement. This tells us how much torque is required per unit of angular rotation. The calculator also provides additional torsional parameters based on the material properties and geometry you've entered, giving you a complete analysis of your shaft system. Find the link in the description below.